Hello guys. I know you'll be wondering why I'm dancing. So today I want to talk about how you can make money online. Yeah, today I'm going to talk about how you can make money online for listening to music. So yeah, you are watching this video and you land on this video because you want to make money online for playing music. So if you want to be listening to music, dancing, you need to watch this video to the end because I will show you step by step how everything works and how you can go and start listening to music and get paid. Yeah, you will get paid a high good commission into your paper account. Depend on how you want to use to cash out. I will show you everything on this video. So yeah, just keep watching. And again, don't forget again to smash the like button, and the link to use this website will be in the description below. It will be the first link. And yeah, just click that link and let us start making money for just listening to music. Hello guys, this is the website that you can use to make money for listening to music. So if you land on their website, if on your computer, you will see that it will be showing current.us. So once you search for current.us, it will show this their website you can see on the screen, as you can see. So if you want to earn reward for listening to music, you can do that from this website, which is called Current App. So you can see that you can install the application on your Apple Store and on your Google Play Store. You can install the application from there, which is what I will show you after I introduce the application to you. So we'll go to that step on how you can sign up, how you can install it, sign up, and start using the application. I will show you everything you need to know on this video. So yeah, if you scroll down here, you will see that you will earn money. It says send your points to future gift card. So you can choose the future gift card you really want. You can use paper, you can use Bitcoin, depending on what you want to use to cash out your money. So yeah, so if you scroll down again, I think you will earn points. You can earn points for searching playlist. So you can do that, search for any playlist, and they have almost 100,000 plus radio station that you can listen and play song from, any type of song. So that is what you need to know here. So you can do that on this website, which is called Current App. So that is what I need to talk about here. And here again, you can earn points for playing music. By just playing your favorite music, you can earn points for doing that. So I don't need to talk too much about this application. You can send your point into your favorite gift card. So you can just do that. So refer people to this website, and you can still make money for just telling your friend about this website or about this application, which is called Current App, and you will get paid for just doing that. And you can listen to music, like I'm saying again, you will get paid for doing that. So if you scroll down here, you will see that you will see the any and this icon. That is what you will see at the bottom here. And if you scroll down again, this is frequently asked question session, where you can ask any question you need to know, like how do I earn money on this website, which is called Current App. If I click here, you will see the response of how you can earn money from this website. So you can see it here. So let us move to my smartphone. That is where you will see how you can make money with this website or application, which is called Current App. I will show you everything you need to know. So once you're on your Google Play Store, click on search and search for Current App. So once you search for Current App, you'll find this application here. Install it if you have not installed the application. Then click on open here. So once you click on open, it will show you a tab asking you to log into your account to register. So you need to enter your Gmail and password, and your you need to use your Gmail and the password to log into your account. So once you have entered that, they will send you an email telling you to verify your account. So you click on that link that is sent to you, then your account will be verified. Then to start listening to music, you just need to come down. You will see at the bottom here, you just need to click on this icon that say music. Click on the music icon. Then here you will see that you can search for any music. Let me say I will click on the search bar there. I can search, let me say I can search for any music, like let me say Wizkid, like I searched last time. Wizkid, can just search for Wizkid, and I can click done, and it will show me Wizkid here. If I click on it, automatically it will start playing. I don't want to do that for the purpose of this video. I don't want to have a copyright. So I can just click on any one of those channel that is playing whiskey music, and I will start listening to music, and more I'm listening to music, more I'm getting points. So once you click on the play button that you can see on the screen, you will start making money for just listening to music. You can search for any type of radio station that you know from your country, from anywhere. Click on it, search for any of the radio station you know here. They will display, and you will click on it, and you will start using it to play. You start listening to your radio station, listening to music. You will get paid anything you do on this website. So that is what you need to know about playing music with this application, which is called Current App. So one thing you need to know again, you can do the booster. So if you click on booster here on this session, you can see that they have daily contests that you can go and participate on if you want to participate on this giveaway that they have. So you can see that you can still take surveys here. You can click on this session that say play games. You can see that you can play game from this website, which is Current App, this application which is called Current App, and still make money from it. So you can see that by playing game, you will earn up to 100 points per a minute for just per a level for just using all those applications you can see here. So if you love playing games, I think this is a good opportunity for you to start playing game on this website, from this website. So what you need to do again, like what I did, you click on booster, you click on any one of them, you can see game, you click on the section that say gaming, and it will pop up this same thing that you see on the screen. Then you can select any type of game you really like from these games that they are giving you here, and more you play the games, more you are making money. So they pay you by points, and you can convert all those points into cash. That is what you need to know about playing game. You can see that they have offers, a lot of offers. So if you click on this session again, you click on this session that say offers, you'll see that on this session you will be able to earn up to 20,000 points for just taking surveys. So this session you will take surveys, and once they pay you point, the point will be added on your Current App account. It will be added at the top here. So that is what I need to tell you again. Here again, you can take surveys too. You can take surveys from any one of those websites you can see on the screen here. So when you complete the task, you will get paid by points, and you can convert that point into cash, which is what I will show you at the end of this video. So yeah, you can see that you can even listen to music, 30 seconds videos ad. You play any ad videos from this application, which is called Current App. You will make money for just doing that, for listening to short video, which is ads, and you will get paid for doing that. If you scroll down here, you'll find a bunch of surveys that you can do. You can earn up to 3,000 to 2,000 to 4,000 to 5,000 points for just doing this. So I will show you how much you can earn from this website. So the other way you can make money today, have on this session that say these. When you click on this session here, you can see it on the screen. When you click on this, you can see a lot of these that you can participate on, cryptocurrency and other things that you can do, and you will get paid for just doing that. So for signing up, let me say for example, now you want to use Coinbase, you can just go and click on, let me say you want to use Coinbase. I think they don't have Coinbase again, but they have other cryptocurrency that you can use. You can just click on this coin list. So for using this application, you read through what they are telling you to do. So once you do the thing, you do everything correctly as what they give you, the instruction and the requirement of what they want you to do, you will now get this $3 into your account. So yeah, that is what I need to talk on that session there. If you click on the redeem session here, this is what I need to show you. But before I come back to the redeeming session, let me show you other way you can make money with this application. Is the invitation link. So you can see that this application will pay you almost $250 for referring people to this program. You say invite 10 friends and up to 25 points per friends plus 5% of their music earning for life. So you just need to copy your link here and start sharing it with your friend. That is what you need to do. Copy your link and start sharing your link with your friend. So that is what I need to talk about again. So at the end of this video now, I will show you now that you can redeem your money. So click on this redeem session here. So once you click on the redeem session here, you can see a bunch of ways that you can use to redeem your money. You can see that you can redeem your money by PayPal, you can redeem your money by Amazon, you can redeem your money by Bitcoin, you can redeem your money in multiple ways. You can see everything on the screen here. You can even use it Fortnite, Bitcoin, and you can use it to buy all those services online. So yeah, you can use it to shop online too.
So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. So I hope that this video is interested. If you find it interesting, I want you to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find it interesting. So yeah, if you click on gift card, you will see the same thing. If you click on product, you'll find the product that you can buy if you have this 19,950 points, 25,500 points. If you have that amount, you'll be able to shop from those. You can use those points to shop all those products you can see on the screen here. So if you click on the gift card, these are the way that you can redeem money. And if you click on all, you'll find the product that you can buy and how you can redeem your money. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. If there's anything I didn't talk about, so please leave it in the comment section below, and as soon as I see your message, I will reply you. So I'm going to end the video from here. I will say see you on my next video, a way on how you can make money online. And again, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, iamregodspower, on Facebook, iamregodspower, on Twitter, iamregodspower. See you on my next video, a way on how you can make money online. See you soon, and peace.